Okay, so in this fifth problem, we have to find a quadratic equation. So ang sabi, with the integer coefficients whose roots are, there is a condition here, reciprocals of r and s. So how to do this? No, there is a condition. But the given equation x squared minus 7x minus 5 is equal to 0. So how to do this? We can use the Vieta's formula or the sum of the roots. So the sum of the roots, so r plus s, that is equal to 7, I believe. And the product of the two roots must be equal to negative 5. Okay? So for reciprocals, we can even write the sum, no? The sum, sige, lagay ito. The sum as 7 over negative 5. And the product here, we can even write it as 1 over 1 over negative 5. Okay, so using the Vieta's formula. So I'm gonna use this original equation. So we have x squared, but in this case, I'm gonna change the 7 here. No, papalitan ko yung 7 ng 7 over negative 5. So 7 over negative 5. Okay? So I'm gonna change it as 7 over negative 5. Actually, itong negative, pwede mo isulat dito if you want to. So, plus, the third term must be changed as this one. So we have 1 over negative 5. So basically, we have this new equation when we apply the condition, the reciprocals. So, finally, when you multiply it by 5, both sides, the final format would be 5x squared. So this one, this multiplied by this term, there is an x here. So we have negative, actually that would be positive 7x. And this one, multiply natin dito, then we can have negative 1. And that is equal to 0. And that should be our final answer here. So because we have to find only the quadratic equation of this particular problem. Okay?